Hi, this is Lauren Cristaldi with XeoMatrix, and today I'm going to show you how to use custom Mapbox maps in Tableau. So from here, we can see that in Tableau Desktop, I've pulled in the region from sample superstore data, and it's kind of auto-built this map where we have that kind of grayscale view. That would be the light style. So when we go in to edit the background layers, this toolbar comes up on the side. And this is all of our options to customize the default further. So you can go to normal, dark, streets, outdoors. But let's say you want to change like this blue or the green or even the font to be different or more on brand with your own like style guide that you may have. Well, we can't really do that within Tableau, but we can do that in Mapbox. So if we go to mapbox.com, and you'll have to create an account. It's free if you're just using things from the gallery or you're not adding any other like custom layers. But if we go to the gallery and then let's select like blueprint, we'll preview this style, add to your studio. Now we can see in the left, we have all of these different options for the different layers that are being brought in, where you can change the color or the font, even the size. So we have a lot of different options here that we didn't have before. And just to preview this one from the gallery without those changes that we may want to make, if you go up to share and then under developer resources, you go to third party, and then we're going to copy this integration URL. Copied. We'll go back to Tableau, go up to map, background maps, and then we'll add this Mapbox map. We can call this blueprint, or it can be another name. It doesn't have to match the exact style name that's in the gallery. Then we'll paste that URL we just copied. And now we have that custom formatting applied.